It is easier to remove um, your Equifax bankruptcy just because Equifax is easier to remove accounts in general. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just easier to remove those accounts in general. When you do disputes with Equifax, they are more likely to remove that account than either of the other two credit bureaus. Just do a basic dispute. Look at the name of the bankruptcy court. See if it's the same across all three credit bureaus. Make sure you guys are getting that bankruptcy removed from LexisNexis too, because I found as soon as you get it removed from LexisNexis, it's so much easier to get it removed from TransUnion, Experian, not TransUnion, Equifax and Experian. TransUnion don't care about LexisNexis coming off. They're still going to keep it on there, but I just find that it's easier for you to get it removed from Equifax and Experian. So do the LexisNexis dispute. After you do that LexisNexis dispute, then go ahead and dispute with the credit bureaus and just keep disputing it, especially when you see those multiple inaccuracies. Just keep disputing and don't give up. That's really